Minimum of quantity is an important business approach, especially in supply chain management and manufacturing. MOQ provides cost effectiveness by assisting suppliers in covering fixed expenses associated with manufacturing and shipping, hence contributing to the business's sustainability and profitability. Furthermore, MOQ is important in inventory management. MOQ can help suppliers forecast production quantities and manage the amount of inventory. Buyers, on the other hand, may plan their purchase amounts based on the MOQ, allowing them to successfully manage their inventory. MOQ is an important factor in negotiations. Buyers that reach or exceed the MOQ have an advantage in pricing discussions with suppliers. Furthermore, MOQ might assist suppliers in gaining market share. They may establish a high MOQ to discourage new rivals from entering the market, or they could use a low MOQ plan to entice new clients. However, it is vital to remember that MOQ can vary substantially based on a variety of criteria such as product type, production cost, and market demand. As a result, determining a MOQ that best meets the individual conditions of each firm is critical. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're helping you become a successful project manager. PM Mindset.